Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and OPPO Reno 7. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Find the music you would like to hear on your TV. Enter it. And now tap this button in the top right corner. Select your TV. Confirm. And it's done. Now your devices are linked. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.